YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing the jackfruit pot roast, vegan style of course, and I am going to be using the young jackfruit. This is in water. Some people use it in here, and I just sliced it up a little bit just to give a little bit more. What I have in the pot currently is grapeseed oil, 100% grapeseed oil, and this is what I got from Aldi. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And I already have my grapeseed oil in here. I have it on high, but I turned it down a little bit. The jackfruit in. Okay. Okay. Now that I have that garlic and water, let that cook down some. So I'm going to do my Worcestershire sauce. A little bit in there. So I'm using the steak sauce that I found at Aldi today. And you put as little or as much as you like. And mix this one up. Next, I have vegetable broth that I've also found at Aldi. As you can see, I just did one whole Aldi one. Made it simple, quick, and easy. So my vegetable broth didn't really want to open for me. So that's fine. So about a cup of vegetable broth. Let that boil with all the seasonings for a little bit. My oven is already preheated on 375. While that cooks down, I have my vegetables already in my little bowl here. I have my celery, I have my mushrooms, I have potatoes, and I have my carrots in here. So that's what that looks like. Okay, so it's cooled down a little bit. Like I said, I already have my vegetables. So I'm going to start putting the mixture. Looking and smelling good already. So now I'm going to put it in the oven for an hour to bake.
Well, now I'm going to try the roast beef. Seasoned just like roast beef. It's so good. Yeah. Tastes like roast beef.